Check something here. Okay. So we're going to change a little bit the header. Let me just add somebody else. And remember, you don't have, if you're going to change code, you don't have to stop the server. You only have to stop the server if you're going to add components and such. Okay, so don't stop the server. And we're going to go to header.component HTML, which is here in the app folder. Remember, that's where we have shared and components header. We're going to header.component.html. Right now it says header works, which is this. Okay. So we're going to add a little bit of HTML with Bootstrap to show some links and the user information here. Well, username here. So we're going to change a couple of things here. We're going to put a navigation bar. Oh, sorry. And these are Bootstrap classes. This is going to take 100% of the space. I'm sorry, it's expand. And light or dark?
Dark.
Dark, of course.
Dark.
You could do dark or light. Let me see if I can show you. So it has some samples here. No samples. Oh, anyway. Oh, there you go. This would be dark. This one's not exactly light because light is like really, really light gray. But we're going to use this one here. And background also dark. Let me make it a little bit larger for you guys. There you go. Can you see there?
Yes.
How do I start the server?
My computer is really slow today.
NG serve. I don't know who else.
You're looking how to start the server again? ng space serve. Remember, you have to be inside the folder of your application.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So we have this navigation bar, and we're gonna create the navigation brand, which is kind of like the logo. I think I saw it up here. Oh, this is light. This one, it's light. And the navigation bar is this one here, like kind of like the logo. This part here. I'm sorry, the brand. Brand. This one. Yep. So it's kind of like the text. So we're gonna do. It's gonna be a text, but it's also gonna be a link, meaning that if you click it, it's gonna send you home. Okay, which is the normal thing that happens. Right now, we're just gonna put posts. Well, Angular, because we have a menu called posts. That's not the. Again, just save it, and it should change like this. Get this down here. If you click it, it's going to send you home again. Got it?
Yes.
Got it.
Okay. So we're gonna do the following. We're gonna put a little just to show you how that works. We're gonna put the username here, just administrator or something like that. Yeah, you can put more stuff there in your project, but right now we're just gonna put the name here. So we're gonna put inside the navigation bar. Later on, we're gonna put the links here. Links. But here, we're gonna put the user info. We're gonna use a div that's going to float right, which means that it's gonna be on the right side of the navigation bar. And the text is going to be light because if it's dark, you're not going to be able to see it. Good. Let's just type user info to see that it is where it should be. There it is. Let me just check something here. And my computer's kind of acting weird. Give me a second. It's freezing up. Okay, sorry, my computer is doing kind of weird things. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna put a placeholder for, I forgot the name, for the username. That's where username is gonna be. So we're gonna put two brackets. Okay, so we're gonna go to inside here, headers. Let me just save this. In headers, we're gonna go to the header component TS, which remember TS stands for a TypeScript. And inside the header component class, we're just gonna put username equals administrator. So this is the way it should look. Whatever you put here, that's how it's gonna look. Got it?
No. I got lost.
Okay, again. Here we're gonna place we're telling Angular that do not write username in this part. This is a placeholder for the variable username. Okay.
Okay.
And here in the TS, which is the TypeScript, the code for that page. Again, we're both in header component HTML and header component TS, right? We're working with these two. Okay. So here we're gonna say, okay, username is John Smith. But remember, this has to be exactly as this.
All right. I got it.
Everybody good?
Yes.
Okay. Now we're gonna have a menu here with two options. One for posts. Remember, forgot the. Let me just open back again the Postman, so we see what we're gonna try to get. Postman always takes a while. Give me a second.
While we are waiting for Postman,
Yeah.
could you make your browser full screen?
The browser? This
Yeah.
one?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
All right.
Hey, what are you doing over there?
Screen. It was over there, and once I did it half screen, it go to one to the.
It should float
right.
all the way over here. I need to check Bootstrap a little bit more. I normally don't use Bootstrap. I do my own CSS. Using Bootstrap is cheating, but I don't know what happened with that one. I'd rather do my own CSS. Okay, so we're gonna use this one. Let me just close these. Well, these are the for ASP.NET. And this one, posts. So we use users and posts. Yep. So we need to add two components, one called users and another one called posts. So right now we do have to stop the server. And we're going to generate two components, ng generate component posts. Now we have posts over here. And ng generate component users.
Wait.
Or what happened? What happened?
How do you stop it?
Control C. Control C.
Okay. Thanks.
What was the first command line?
The same. Hold on. One is generate component post, and the other one's generate component users.
Okay, thank you.
My computer's not doing what it's supposed to be doing. Okay. Done? You got it?
Yes.
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 Okay. Now we're gonna go over here to app module. And we need to import, well, actually we already have them, the post and users components. Import post component, and you should have them here. Wait a minute, not here, this one here. This one here. Oh, these two here. You got them, right? If you don't have those, you need to import them.
Yeah, you.
I don't have the post CLS component.
I think why do I have that?
I don't have it either.
The same.
I don't know why I have this. Maybe I created something that I shouldn't have.
Okay.
You know what happened is that my terminal was dark. It went dark, and I think I did something earlier this morning that I messed it up. But this one doesn't count. I'm not gonna erase it, but this one doesn't count. Okay, so never mind that one. And we're gonna go to app routing modules. .ts, and we're gonna add more routes to the routes array. So we have the route to the home component. We need to create routes for the users and post components. So we're gonna do the following. Hold on. which is basically just a JSON object. Again, we should have these two over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one, I don't know what happened. Bye-bye. Hopefully, I don't have a whole bunch of errors in here. Maybe I shouldn't have erased it. Well, if I get errors, I'll fix them as I go along. Let's hope not. Okay, so we have those paths here. Now, let's go back to header HTML, header component HTML. And now we're going to create the links. Okay, so we're going to create a unordered list. I'm going to have one for home. Wait a minute. Kind of went wrong here. And we're going to use the route that we set up in the routers. And the one we're going to use is users. Well, first posts, then users. Then users.
Professor,
Yeah.
it seems that you at the link you have it home after at the end you have the close tag. Yes.
What am I missing here? Oh, I stopped. Brown skin, good morning. Failed to compile. Probably that, yeah, this one.
That's in the app. No secret.
Yeah, that's this. So there is here.
Or maybe it's another one. I thought that was the same.
There is in source app module.ts. Didn't save it? I guess I didn't. I erased it, but I didn't save it.
Professor,
Yeah.
you don't like the autosave?
Normally don't do that. Hey, what's happening here?
If you do it full screen, it's gonna work, but the transmit is gonna be right next.
But it should be the same place, everything. What did I do wrong here? Okay.
It's not responsive.
It should be.
I'm Busarb. I think that you have to.
Let me just check that at least at the. They don't work yet. Okay.
Mine works.
Mine too.
That's interesting. Okay, let me now I'm like you guys. I can't get anything to work. Now I know how you feel. What did I do here? What did I do wrong here? Well, what error am I getting?
But the difference is that we were really nervous.
Okay.
You don't.
Cam actually routes to post, not to users. So it has to be in the routing module. Path, codes.
You didn't save it.
Didn't save it? What am I, a noob?
That's why autosave is the best thing ever.
Okay, so that works, but now I'm still wondering why my navigation bar doesn't work. Well, actually, this is because it's this is kind of like for mobile phone.
Yeah, I think so.
But it looks ugly.
Maybe there's some file that is specifying that we're working for mobile development.
I don't want to get too much into that, but the experts in Bootstrap, Kathy, good morning. She's not there. Okay, this one, the home one, we want to make it a little bit more noticeable. I'll go like this. This is the one we're at. Why is it not in? And try this. I don't exactly remember what this is for, but Kathy, are you awake? I can barely hear you.
Something's wrong with my microphone.
No, actually, it refreshes itself. This should. Hold on. This should float right. Let me check something here. The meeting is almost, the link is almost done.
I graded to unlimited session.
Upgrade to what?
To an unlimited session.
I can never do that. I'm one of those, like those professors that don't know how to use a projector. I don't know how to use Zoom.
Watch a tutorial on YouTube.
You're probably gonna have to teach me. What am I missing? That's going all the way over there. Okay, guys, let me just, I'm gonna send you another link, okay? Let me just check it. Give me 5 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
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 Okay, bye.